Hello everyone, I welcome you all in our YouTube channel EndoAgri course. Friends, today in this video, I will discuss about the most important topic, and this topic is the base of the entomology studies. So today I will discuss about insect body wall, and further we'll discuss about insect integument. So the integument of the insect is the outermost layer, and it is further subdivided into three parts, that is cuticle, epidermis and the basement membrane. So friends, I have already drawn the structure of the insect integument, and now I will explain about all the parts of the integument one by one. Friends, I request you all to please go through the complete video as it is very important topic, and mostly 2-3 questions they are asked from this topic for every competitive exam. So the layer at the base, you can see over here in this diagram, this layer at the base, it is the basement membrane. And this basement membrane, it is 0.5 micron thick, and this is the undifferentiated, and the second one is the epidermis. This is the epidermis, and this epidermis, it rests upon the basement membrane. And this epidermis, it is unicellular, and also it is known as the hypodermis, and the main function of the epidermis is to secrete the cuticle. So the next, this all is the cuticle, rest the remaining part is the cuticle, and the epidermis, it secretes cuticle. And the epidermal cells, they have the Golgi complex, rough endoplasmic reticulums, pigmented granules, and all the epidermal cells, they are glandular, and each dermal gland is formed by a group of 3 epidermal cells, and the median cells, they constituting the body of the gland, that is known as the body of the gland, they forms a trichogen cells, whereas while remaining, they form the body of gland. And the duct of the gland, this is formed from tormogen cells. And also they have this epidermis, they have the peristematic glands that are responsible for the hydrophuse properties. So now this next that you can see over here, this green color layer, it is Scammets region, Scammets layer, and this is the this Scammets layer, it is the above the epidermis, and it is below the endocuticle, and this is the endocuticle, and this layer, it forms a membrane from which new cuticle develops at ecdysis. So it forms a new membrane, and above the as I have already told you that the above the Scammets layer, there is the endocuticle, and this endocuticle, it is a part of procuticle, and this endocuticle, it is undifferentiated. It is undifferentiated, and it is not involved in tanning, and this is also a part of cuticle, further subdivided into procuticle and the epicuticle. And above the endocuticle, there is the exocuticle. So this is the exocuticle, so this is the exocuticle, and this exocuticle, it is the outer part and is hard and rigid. So this exocuticle, it is the outer part and this is hard and rigid. And between these exocuticle and endocuticle, this line, this is mesocuticle. So this is the mesocuticle. And this mesocuticle is hardened and it is not fully darked layer. So next you can see over here these ducts, they are the pore canals. And these are the ducts that are running from the epidermis. You can see over here that they are running from the epidermis, and they go up to inner epicuticle. So they go up to inner epicuticle. Here, this is the inner epicuticle. So this is the inner epicuticle. So they go up to inner epicuticle. Next, and they form a pore canal. So these are known as the pore canal. So these all form procuticle. So all these up to procuticle, up to pore canal, this is the procuticle. And this procuticle, it is thicker and it is chitinous. Being a chitinous, and it consists of a 20 to 50% of chitin in the insect body. And this chitin is about 20 to 50% of the dry weight. Next, above this exocuticle, the remaining part, it forms the epicuticle. So this form a epicuticle. All these are the epicuticle. And this epicuticle, this is thin. As I have already told you, this cuticle, it is procuticle, it is chitinous, whereas this epicuticle, this is non-chitinous. And it is about 0.03 to 0.4 micron, and it is further subdivided into inner epicuticle. This is the inner epicuticle and the outer epicuticle. So this epicuticle, this is further subdivided into inner epicuticle and the outer epicuticle. And this outer epicuticle, this is also known as the protein epicuticle. And this protein epicuticle, it forms the wax canal filaments. So these are the wax canal filaments. And these wax canal filaments is developed. These wax canal, they developed when there is the development of the cuticle that precedes the special glands in the epidermis. When there, I have already told you that these pore canals, they rise from the epidermis, and when there is the development of the cuticle, as this epidermis, it secretes the cuticle, and it produces and there is it precedes the special glands. These are the glands in the epidermis, and these are the glands in the epidermis, and produce a waxy material which is dissolved, which is in the dissolved state, and is further it forms a wax layer. So it forms a wax layer above the protein epicuticle. And the main function of the wax layer, so the main function of the wax layer is to impart water conserving properties. So above this wax layer, there is the cement layer. And this is formed just before ecdysis or immediately after cement layer laid over outermost component of the epicuticle. So this was the structure of the integument. And now I will tell you the functions of the integument. So the functions of the cuticle. So cuticle, it acts as a exoskeleton, and it also provides a shape to the body of the insect, and it is responsible for the body movements, and they have the invaginations. That's why they provide the internal support, and muscle attachment is there. And the wax layer, this wax layer, it conserves water, and the cuticle is modified to form various sense organs, and also it imparts, as I have already told, that they have the this epidermis, they have a rough endoplasmic reticulum, and this Golgi complex and the pigment granules, so they provide color to the insect body. So friend, this was all about the structure of the integument and the functions of the cuticle, and the various and these were the various and the parts of the cuticle, epidermis and the basement membrane. So I hope you all will like this